Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you're going to connect your Sceptre monitor to Xbox. So when you're going to have the HDMI in your Sceptre, you're just going to connect the HDMI cable that you would have to your Sceptre monitor. And then when you're going to have the Xbox and you want to locate the HDMI on your Xbox, and you're just going to connect the cable into the Xbox. That's how it works. Super simple. But what might happen is that on a Sceptre, you're going to have, let's say, VGA. That you're not going to have the HDMI cable, you have only VGA. Then you need to have adapter like this. That you're going to connect it to VGA and then you're going to connect it to Xbox. Or I don't know what kind of Xbox you got. So this is what you want to do. But also some Xbox got maybe the small Xbox port. Then the HDMI small box, then you just need to have and connect it and have different adapter like HDMI to HDMI mini, and that's it.